Today, pag-uusapan naman natin kung paano natin maaalagaan ang ating lips, especially since we are required to wear face mask every time we go out. Tayong mga girls, we love wearing lipstick and putting different cosmetic products on our lips to achieve that perfect pout. Whenever we wear face mask naman, the warm moisture we exhale get trapped under the mask. The result, nagiging perfect place ito for bacterial growth, which in turn results in skin and lip problems. So what are the things we should do to keep our lips healthy? Let's find out. The most important thing is to keep your lips hydrated so they look nice, soft, and full-looking. Napaka-basic ng isa sa mga paraan to hydrate your lips. Drink enough water. If you want to avoid damaged lips caused by dryness, hydrate yourself inside and out. But take note, kung feeling mo dehydrated ang lips and you don't have drinking water with you, don't wet your lips with your saliva. Kahit na kasi nahahydrate ng ating laway ang mga labi natin, the hydration lasts only for a brief moment. May mga digestive enzymes ang ating saliva at kapag natuyo ito, it will leave our lips even more vulnerable to chapping, flaking, splitting, which can result in bleeding. Napaka-importante rin ang exfoliation. Elements like dry air and temperature all contribute to dry lips. Over time, dry lips develop flaking skin na posibleng maging cause ng bleeding. This is where exfoliation comes into play by gently brushing your lips with petroleum jelly using a toothbrush. Circular motion dapat ang pag-apply. At make sure na ginagamit lang ang toothbrush na ito para sa exfoliation ng lips mo. Sa ganitong paraan, maiiwasan ang cross-contamination. But be careful not to over-exfoliate your lips as doing so may result in wounds. Let your lips breathe. Whenever possible, remove your face mask, but only when it is safe. Halimbawa, kapag nasa bahay ka or outdoors and at least 6 feet away from the next person. As mentioned before, yung warm moisture that we exhale na natatrap sa loob ng mask ay pwedeng mag-cause ng dryness sa lips, so a mask break is really important. Also, before you hit the sack, make sure na wala ka ng makeup products sa mukha mo, including lip tints or lipstick. Kapag clear na ang lips mo, you should also apply lip balm to keep your lips moisturized overnight. These days, we barely expose our lips because of our face mask. Although hindi na sila masyadong na-expose sa sunlight, the dry moisture trapped under our mask can be a problem. So, it is still very important to take measures to keep our lips healthy. This way, hindi lang plump at hydrated ang mga lips natin, kundi free rin from wounds, bleeding, and peeling. Bonus pa is that when your lips look good, you look younger. I am Nicolette Henson Hizon. Join us daily here and on our official Facebook account, CLTV36, and YouTube account, CLTV36 Official, as we give you tips to live every day beyond style.